Hi, my name is Miss Chachere. I am the AEA teacher here at Grantham Academy. AEA is Accelerated English Academy. I teach the newcomers English for the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. And to me, that is the best thing in the world, because learning 2 languages and being bilingual opens up so many more doors for everyone, and such good communication to be able to speak in English and Spanish, or 2 languages helps you communicate with so many more people. And something interesting about me is I think I am the best Cajun cook in the world. And I make the best crawfish etouffee. And that's it. I hope to meet you in person or virtually through the computer. Please check out your child's Schoology account and you will see our Google Meet. And you are welcome to come and say hello, and I can help you with anything on Schoology if you need some help. Talk to you later. Bye.